This is the embedded systems project for homework 8, the third one. We decided to do the police siren. This is the group with Jamie Keller.
And Jeremiah Williams.
So when we press the button,
so you could hear it going, and the advantage of using the interrupts for the timing, it was easier to code in the button to stop it on all these different times. Anytime through the program, if you hit RB0, it'll stop the siren.
so this is an oscilloscope showing that the frequencies alternate every 500 milliseconds. And then this is oscilloscope showing like the frequencies changing and what their time period is.